I am Bhaskar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. In today's class, we are going to see joint probability distribution. In this one, for the joint probability distribution, we can see that formulas. What is the formula for expectation, variance, covariance, and correlation? So that are the formulas you should remember to solve these problems. If x is a random variable, so here see, just if x is a random variable, taking the values x1 comma x2 and so on xn having probability functions f of x, then the expectation of capital X denoted by e of x, expectation of x we will denote it with e of x, or this one only mu suffix x we will write mu x is defined by mu x equal to e of x, e of x equal to summation of I into xi into f of xi. This f of xi they will give that probabilities, and similarly mu y. So mu y is nothing but e of y, expectation of y equal to summation of yj into g of yj. Next, expectation of xy equal to summation of xi into yj into j of ij. This is what is the j of ij means joint probability. This j denotes the joint probability of I and j. That means ith row and jth column. Right. Next one should be, these are the formulas for expectation of x, expectation of y, and expectation of xy. Already you studied expectations from 9th standard to 12th standard. Already you studied this all. But here, this one joint probability distributions we are seeing here. The covariance of x and y denoted by covariance of x comma y equal to covariance of x comma y equal to expectation of x into y. See, this is x into y minus mu x. What is that mu x is? E of x. Mu x already I told that e of x, and mu y is nothing but what is that? What is e of y? You may write instead of mu x mu y e of x into e of y also you will write. Right. Further, the correlation of x and y denoted by rho of x comma y. Correlation will denoted by rho of x comma y. Rho of x comma y equal to covariance of x comma y divided by covariance of x comma y. Already covariance formula you know that, divided by sigma x into sigma y. What is that? Sigma x and sigma y is nothing but these are all standard deviations. Okay. Now, what is that sigma x and sigma y? I will tell you here. See, here already I have written sigma x square equal to, what is that? Sigma x square equal to e of x square. This is e of x square minus mu square x. What is that? Mu x is expectation of x. So mu x whole square means expectation of x whole square also we can write. Right. E of x square minus mu square x. What is, how do you find e of x square? How do you find e of x square? Already you know that e of x formula, but here e of x square. E of x square is summation of x square into f of xi. Summation of x square into f of xi. Next, sigma y square is nothing but similarly same here e of y square minus mu y square. What is that? E of y square is nothing but summation of y square into g of yj. What is that? G of yj is nothing but the probabilities of y, this one. F of x is nothing but the probabilities of x distribution they have given. Right. So this you should remember, expectation of x square is nothing but that xi square into f of xi. Sigma y whole square is e of y square minus mu y whole square. So what is that? E of y square is summation of y square into g of yj. Right. So or this only, see, already I showed that this formula only we have written here. Sigma x whole square is e of x square minus mu x whole square only e of x whole square we are writing. What is that? E x square is summation of x square into f of x. What is e of x? Already you know that, summation of x into f of x. What is that? Sigma y whole square is e of y square minus e of y whole square. What is that? E of y square is summation of y square into g of y. G of y is probability of y distribution. F of x is probability of x distribution. What is that? E of y is nothing but summation of y into g of y. Right. Using these formulas, we can see the problems in this. So, right, just we can see the problem of first they'll give distribution of x and y. Distribution of x and y they'll give. We have to find joint probability. See, this problem just we are going to discuss, right, using that formulas only. Already we have been studied that formulas. Suppose x and y are independent random variables with the following respective distribution. X and Y are independent random variables with the following respective distribution. Find the joint distribution of X and Y. So here marginal distribution of X this is given and marginal distribution of Y they have given. We are going to find what that joint distribution of X and Y you are going to find. Marginal distribution of X, marginal distribution of Y they are given. We are going to find joint probability distribution. Another problem is there. They'll give joint probability. We want to find marginal distribution. But in this problem, they have given marginal distribution of X and Y. We want to find joint probability. Right. So what is that marginal distribution of X and Y? Here see, find the joint distribution of X and Y. Also verify that covariance of X comma Y equal to 0. Right. What is that X distribution they are given? Xi equal to Xi 1, 2, f of Xi, that probability is 0.7, 0.3. Yj is, what is that? Y probability is -2, 5, 8. That respective probability is 0.3, 0.5, 0.2. Now, here we are going to find, since X and Y are independent, the joint distribution J of X comma Y is obtained by using the definition. Joint distribution of J of X comma Y is what is that? F of Xi into G of Yj. What is F of Xi? This is F of Xi. G of Yj. What is that? This is G of Yj. If you will multiply this, you will get that J of Yj. What is the J of Ij is joint distribution of 8th row and jth column are obtained by multiplication of marginal entries. What are that marginal entries? Marginal distribution of X and marginal distribution of Y. The given data and the required J of Ij is exhibited in the following table. Here see, I have written only the table. Here see, X, this is X row, this is nothing but that first row, second row, this is rows. Y is nothing but that Y1, Y2, Y3. How many entries they have given? 3 entries they have given. So that is Y1, Y2, Y3, 3 columns. And how many? See, 1, X value is 1, 2. That one should be rows. 1, 2. What is the G of Yj is nothing but that probability. This is G of Yj. Okay. And this one should be what is that? F of Xi. I have written here the probabilities. Now F of Xi having what is that? See, two values. One is 0.7 and 0.3. For what is that? 0.7 for x1 and 0.3 for x2. See, this is x1 row. For that one, 0.7 I have written. For x2 row, I have written here 0.3. Similarly, see, g of y should be, what is that? -2 value should be 0.3. See here, -2 value should be in that column. I have written 0.3. In 5, 0.5. In 8, 0.2. Now, so if you'll add all these probabilities, you will get, see, what you will get? You will get 1. If you'll add all the probabilities, see, 0.3 plus 0.5 plus 0.8. 0.3 plus 0.5 is 0.8 plus 0.2 is nothing but 1. If you'll add this, 0.7 plus 0.3 is also 1. Right. Now, how do you find? See, this one I have written x1, y1. That one I have written j11. x2, y2. That one I have written j12. x1, y3. That one I have written j13. x2, y1. That one I have written j21. x2, y2. I have written that one should be j22. x3, y3. I have written that one should be j23. Okay. So now, what is J11? J11 means, here see, I have multiplied 0.7 into 0.3. How do you get this one? 0.7 into 0.3. Here see, this is what is that? X1 0.7 into 0.3 is nothing but 0.21. Next one, see here also. J12. How do you find J12? J12 is, this probability should be 0.7 into what is that? 0.5. That corresponding row into that corresponding column. Next, J13. J13 is what is that? 0.7 into what is that? 0.2. That only just I have written. J11, J12, J13. Next, J21. How do you find J21? This is J21 is 0.3 into what is that? 1. 1 should be what is that? Here see 0.3 into 0.3 is 0.09. Next one see J22 is nothing but 0.5 into 0.3. Next J23 is 0.3 into 0.2. So if you'll multiply this all, we'll get this one. I'll fill the table. This table only I'm going to call it as joint distribution table. x, y, j11 place, I will write that corresponding probability, j12, j13, j21, j22, j23, all the probabilities I will fill in this. Now, this is f of xi and this one should be what is that? G of yj. Now, you can add it. See, already I have written here 0 0.3, 0 0.5, 0 0.2, 1 and 0 0.3, 0 0.7. These are all already I have written. After multiplying also, you can add 0 0.21, 0 0.09 is 0 0.3. Same you have to get. If this one will not come, so people made somewhere mistake. Next, 0.35 into 0.15 is 0.5. 0.14 in plus 0.06 is 0.2. Now, these are all, if you, so now you can add it like this also, 0.21 plus 0.35 plus 0.14 is also 0.7. 0.09 plus 0.15 plus 0.06 is 0.3. So, however you will add, you will get the same only. Next, here see, first what I have to find. So in this problem, they have been asked that find what is that joint distribution I found out. Next, covariance of x comma y I have to find. How do you find covariance of x comma y? Already I have given the formula. This is the joint distribution. Already we found out. Covariance of x comma y is E of expectation of xy minus E of x into E of y or mu x into mu y. First, I have to find expectation of x. What is that formula? Already I told that mu x or E of x both should be same. Summation of xi into f of xi. What is that xi into f of xi? Here already you know that. See here. This is xi. Xi is 1 into f of xi, 0.7. 1 into 0.7 plus 2 into 0.3. From this marginal distribution of x, we will get that one only. Here, so I will show you here, see, 1 into 0.7 plus 2 into 0.3. That is mu x or expectation of x. Next, mu y is nothing but what is that? Expectation of y. That only I will write. Here, see, mu y is nothing but minus 2 into 0.3 plus 5 into 0.5 plus 8 into 0.2. If you will add all that, so you will get what is that? You will get that E of I. See, minus 2 into 0.3 plus 5 into 0.5 plus 8 into 0.2 is 3.5. If you'll add all that one using calculator, you will get. Next, expectation of xy. What is that expectation of xy is? Xi into yj into j of ij. Xi into yj into j of ij. Here I have written directly that value should be 4.55. So how you will get, I will explain. See here. This is joint distribution. How do you multiply? See, 1 into minus 2 into 0.1. See, 1 into minus 2 into 0.1 plus 1 into 5 into 0.35 plus 1 into 8 into 0.14. 0.14 plus, first row I finished, 2 into minus 2 into 0.09 plus 2 into 5 into 0.15 plus 2 into 8 into 0.06. If you'll add all these things after multiplying, so you will get, what you will get? 4.55 you will get. This is expectation of xy. Now, here say I found out expectation of xy, expectation of x into expectation of y. Now, what is our aim? We want to find covariance of x comma y. How do you find covariance of x comma y is? Expectation of xy minus covariance of x comma y is expectation of xy minus mu x into mu y. What is that expectation of xy is 4.55 minus expectation of x is what? 1.3. What is that expectation of y is 3.5. If you will multiply this, you will get 0. Covariance of x comma y is 0. What you have to show? They asked also in the problem. What is that? Find covariance of x comma y. You should also verify that covariance of x comma y equal to 0. So here also we showed covariance of x comma y is nothing but 0 we showed. See, whenever covariance of x comma y equal to 0 for independent random variables x and y is verified. If covariance of x comma y equal to 0 for the independent what variables that given x and y are independent random variables. Next problem in the same type, just we will see this is the next problem. Right, x and y are independent random variables. X takes the values 2, 5, 7 with probabilities. X takes the values with probabilities. What are the 2, 5, 7? That probability should be 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. That means x1 is here. How do you take means? X1 is 2. x2 is 5, x3 is 7. That probability should be 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Next, similarly, y takes the values 3, 4, 5. That means y1 is 3, y2 is 4, y3 is 5 with probabilities 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Right, here what you have to find a joint probability distribution. Like previous problem only, here also you are going to find joint distribution of x and y. Show that covariance of x comma y is equal to 0. Here also in previous problem also covariance of x comma y equal to 0 we showed. Next, here one extra they have been added. Find the probability distribution of z equal to x plus y. Right, so now we can see here, this is a given data. Xi is nothing but just they are given normally. So we are preparing for the table. X takes three values 2, 5, 7. That probability should be 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Yj is nothing but 3, 4, 5. That probability is 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Now here we have to find joint probability. How do you find joint probability? Already I showed the table. How do you find this 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 is what that? That is J11. See, this is x1 into y1 is J11. x1 into y2 is what is that? J12. x1 into y3 is J13. So now J11 is 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 is 1 by 6. 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 is 1 by 6. 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 is 1 by 6. This is J11, J12, J13. Next, J21. J21 means what is that? This is x2 value will take x2 1 by 4 into 1 by 3. What is that? 1 by 4 into 1 by 3 is J21 is 1 by 12. 1 by 4 into 1 by 3 is J22, that is 1 by 12. 1 by 4 into 1 by 3 is J23, that is 1 by 12. Next, J31. J31 means x3 into y1, that is 1 by 4 into 1 by 3. Next, similarly, see 1 by 4 into 1 by 3, that is J32. 1 by 4 into 1 by 3 is J33. The table already I showed in previous problem, like that you have to multiply this. Now if you will multiply and you will write, so you will get this one, for that 2, x is 2, 5, 7, x values. Y value should be what is that? 3, 4, 5. So here g of yj, here f of xi. What is that? This one should be 1 by 2 I have written, 1 by 4 I have written, 1 by 4. Here 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Next one, this one should be 1 by 3, 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 1 by 3. If you'll add all, you will get 1. Here if you'll add 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 also will get 1. Now you can add it row wise or column wise, it will satisfy that. 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6 is totally 3 by 6. 3 by 6 is 1 by 2. Now 1 by 12, 1 by 12, 1 by 12 is 3 by 12. 3 by 12 is 1 by 4. 1 by 12, 1 by 12, 1 by 12. If you'll add all 3 by 12 is 1 by 4. If you'll add same like column wise also, you'll get the same answers only. So if you'll add, total probability should be 1. Now I want to find covariance of x comma y. What is that covariance of x comma y is? Expectation of xy minus mu x into mu y. What is that expectation of x is? Summation of xi into f of xi. Summation of xi into f of xi. What is that summation of xi is nothing but already you know that this is xi. 2 into 1 by 2 plus 5 into 1 by 4 plus 7 into 1 by 4. That only here see 2 into 1 by 2 plus 5 into 1 by 4 plus 7 into 1 by 4. If you add all this, you will get 4. Similarly, you will multiply g of expectation of y is nothing but 3 into 1 by 3 plus 4 into 1 by 3 plus 5 into 1 by 3. You will multiply, so you will get mu y is nothing but what is that? 4 you will get. Mu y equal to 4. If you will simplify that same way, you will get 4. Next, expectation of xy. How do you find out expectation of xy? Directly I have given here. Expectation of xy, you will get, see already I told that 2 into 3, 6 into 1 by 6 plus 2 into 4 into 1 by 6 plus 2 into 5 into 1 by 6 plus 5 into 3 into 1 by 12 plus 5 into 4 into 1 by 12 plus 5 into 5 into 1 by 12 plus 7 into 3 into 1 by 12 plus 7 into 4 into 1 by 12 plus 7 into 5 into 1 by 12. If you will add all this, you will get how much you will get summation of expectation of xy. That is nothing but summation of xi into yj into j of ij is, you will get it as 16. You will get 16. Now covariance of x comma y equal to expectation of xy minus expectation of x into expectation of y. What is that? Expectation of x is 4. Expectation of y is also 4. 16 minus 16 should be 0. So covariance of x comma y equal to 0. Already we showed this one. Next, only the third one should be z equal to, what is that? X plus y. Z equal to x plus y. How do you find x plus y means z equal to xi plus yj? See, how do you find xi plus yj means? Here, see, this is x is 2, y is 3. 2 plus 3, how much? 5. Next, 2 plus 4. What is the 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 plus 5 is nothing but 7. Okay, understood? Next, 5 plus 3 is 8. 5 plus 4 is 9. 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay, so that's only here. See how I am getting. I will show you here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, again, see, I'll add this 7 plus 3 is 10. Already 10. 5 plus 5, 10. We got it. Here also 7 plus 3 also 10 you will get. The 10 only this one. Next one should be what that? 7 plus 4, 11. 7 plus 5, 12. So here totally how many numbers are repeating? Two numbers are repeating. This 10, 10 is repeating two times. So but I'll anyway I have to write only once. So that's why 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now this probabilities. What does that say? 2 plus 3, 5. That probability should be, what is there here? See, 2 plus 3 is 5 means that probability should be 1 by 6. And next probability should be, what is that? 2 plus 4, that probability should be also 1 by 6. 2 plus 5, that probability should be also 1 by 6. Next 3 plus 5, that probability should be 1 by 12. Next one should be 5 plus 4, that probability should be also 1 by 12. So like that, that probabilities I have written. Here 10 repeated twice. The two probabilities, that both probabilities I am adding here. If you'll add both probabilities, 1 by 12 plus 1 by 12 should be 2 by 12. 2 by 12 I will write it as 1 by 6. Right. Now I will write this only, whatever I got it, that only I am going to write in the table wise. The probability distribution of z equal to x plus y is follows like this. Z is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That corresponding probability is this one. This is, what is that? If you add this, all the probabilities also, you will get 1. Right. We'll see if they'll give, in next class, we'll see if they'll give joint probability distribution, you have to write marginal distribution. How do you write that one? We'll see in the next class.